I would describe my current job as space explorer. I am a former Japan Aerospace Exploration Agency's astronaut, and currently I am working for Space Policy and the Spaceport Japan Association, and I'm enjoying my activities in space education as well. My current dream is to make space more accessible for more people. That's my dream. So that is why, as a space explorer, I dedicated myself for space education as a president of Young Astronaut Club of Japan. And I am supporting several science museums in Japan as well. And I'm teaching part-time at some universities. And I am enjoying teaching at our art university because they have a course of art, human, and space. And I am teaching space part for that. And also as a representative director of Spaceport Japan Association, I am currently working with so many people, so many local governments, and also spaceport-related organizations in the world, including European organizations and American organizations. And also working with startup companies which build our spacecraft for human-rated spacecraft, and so on. So my target is to opening up some commercial spaceport in Japan in mid-2020s, and eventually we will have some manned spaceport as an Asian hub. So that's my target right now. I am enjoying the international collaboration most because Japan doesn't have its manned spacecraft yet. So thanks to the international collaboration, there are Japanese astronauts who can fly to space, including myself. And when I was on board the International Space Station, I, together with American colleague, operated Canadian robotics arm to install Italian-made logistics module, which is called Leonardo. And after installation, including a Russian cosmonaut, we all delivered the scientific experiments to the specific area and conducted experiments. So those kind of collaboration was really appreciated. And currently I am working for the Spaceport Japan Association, and which also values international collaboration because it's not only the port to go to space, but it's connecting the spaceport and another spaceport. So those kind of spacecraft will connect, any points in the world in about 1 hour or 2 hours. So it will be a game changing for the logistics of cargo and even for humans. So it is very exciting. When I was a small kid, when I was in elementary school, I did not think of becoming an astronaut because there were no Japanese astronauts yet. So although I was interested in space and watching the stars and reading sci-fi movies and books, but I didn't think of becoming an astronaut as my career. But when I went to junior high school, then space shuttle started flights, and then Japanese astronauts were born because Japan joined in the International Space Station program. So those kind of facts inspired me a lot. Then I decided to pursue my career as an aerospace engineer first, and then whenever I had a chance, I applied for the astronaut group. When I first applied to it, I did not make it. At the very beginning process of our entry seat process, then I didn't pass it because I was lacking in our working experience at the time. So after 3 years, I applied again, and then I was selected as a candidate. So I'd like to emphasize, please do not limit yourself by what you see right now, because there are so many possibilities ahead of you, which you might not think of, you might not imagine at this point. So just, imagine big and don't limit yourself by what you see right now. Space sector is a growing industry right now, and there are so many interfaces with space sector. I was originally an aerospace engineer, and my specialty was for the spacecraft orbits and space robotics. But space, aerospace engineers, it's a very wide field. And there are mechanical engineers, electrical engineers, and system integration engineers. So this is a teamwork. And also, it's not an engineering, but investment or, space medicine or space science research. And there are so wide teamwork. So I'd like you to encourage to pick one or two or, multiple, it's better, it's fine, but some specialties, because you have specialties, it will make you strong and professional, and then you can contribute to the team. So keep your passion and pursue your specialties and contribute to the team, because space is waiting for you.